Hello again, everyone, on a bitter Tuesday afternoon. We're still talking about windy and cold conditions, all thanks to Arctic high pressure and a storm up over New England combining to bring us cold temperatures. Now, when it's this cold and you have winds that we have, any exposed flesh outside can freeze in about 5 minutes, maybe less. So that's why it's important to bundle up when you head outside. Let's take a live look outside the weather window. This up in the Poconos. This is actually from the crossings in Tannersville, and you can see snow on the ground, cars going by, and that's the place to be in your car, not walking around outside, because it's cold out there. And we have been in the deep freeze, as I'm sure you've realized. We have been actually below freezing since 8 o'clock Friday night. And to put in perspective, once you do the math, we have been below freezing for 93 consecutive hours. That is cold, cold air, and it's actually not going to get much better. In fact, by the weekend, it's going to get worse. But between now and then, we have some snow to talk about. Now, the title of this graphic says widespread snow this week. That doesn't necessarily mean a lot of it. We're going to have this Arctic clipper system be scooting across the area. And because it's going to be so cold, even though this will be moisture starved, because it's so cold, the snow ratios are going to be way up. Normally, you hear us say about like a foot of snow or an inch of liquid equals a foot of snow. Well, in this case, an inch of liquid would equal about 30 to 40 inches of snow. So you don't need much moisture to get some snow, and I do think we could be seeing an inch or two of snow Thursday night into the day on Friday. So this is that storm we were talking about. It doesn't look big, but it will be enough to bring us some accumulating snow showers Thursday night. We'll keep you posted on that one. But for tonight, partly cloudy skies, brisk and cold, 16 to 22 for those overnight lows. During the day on Wednesday, sunny and cold again, but the winds will finally begin to subside. 29 to 32 for the high temperature range. Not quite as bad as it was today. And on the exclusive BP Weather 5-day forecast, snow at night on Thursday, but what's that? A little bit of a mild break? Let's hear it for the mid-30s. Just kidding. Friday, snow showers, 26 degrees, turning frigid and windy, 15 at night. Saturday, frigid and windy with that bitter blast, 22 for the high, 10 overnight. That's cold. That means single numbers in the suburbs. By Sunday, frigid flurries, 25 degrees, and 12 overnight. Thank goodness the birds are playing in Dallas. That's your forecast for today. I'll try and see you tomorrow.